The 2027 Ram 1500 Rumble Bee will have direct connection performance parts available when it goes on sale. The lineup includes supercharger, exhaust, suspension, and exterior graphics upgrades. For the Rumble Bee SRT and its 6.2-liter V8, a 2.4-liter twin-scroll supercharger raises output from 777 horsepower to over 900 horsepower. The 3-liter supercharger increases the 5.7-liter Hemi to over 600 horsepower, while the 6.4-liter V8 in the Rumble Bee 392 and 392 track pack reaches over 700 horsepower. Each supercharger kit costs $10,995 and includes an intercooler and high-capacity coolant pump. Direct connection will also offer Magnaflow exhaust systems and a Ridetech lowering suspension package. The Rumble Bee launches in the fourth quarter of 2026, with the Rumble Bee 392 and Rumble Bee SRT arriving in the first half of 2027.